Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. So as you can see from the title below, in this video I'll be showing you guys things, household things that I got for $12,000 in Top Mart, which is in Montego Bay. Everybody know Top Mart who lives in Montego Bay, right? So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you the household items I got for $12,000. Okay, so stick around guys, stick around. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so the first thing I have right here is a floor mat, right? It's a floor mat. So I'll be putting the prices on the screen so you can see how much I paid for each item. Okay, yeah. So this is a floor mat. Let me open it. I want to put this in the living room. If you look good for going in a living room. So yeah, that's the reason why I bought it, because I need a mat to go in the living. Oh, okay. Okay, our long mat. I never know say it would be so long, but it's good. I really love it, and the pattern is nice. Yeah, the pattern is very nice. So we're gonna see how best it fit in the living room. Yeah. So for this mat I paid, let me see, $2,695 for this mat. So I have a receipt right here. So yeah, it was $2,695. Right, let's go to the second item. Alright guys, so the second item is a rod. So this rod, I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. I don't have no bathroom rod, neither no bathroom curtain. So I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. And people, nobody now see me from outside or nothing like that. Okay? So nobody bash me now. Me say I have no rod for my bathroom or no bathroom curtain, because I have it right here, so right now. Okay? So this rod, and I paid current rod $995 for this thing. See it right here, sir? Yeah, $995. Yes, so I'm gonna put up my bathroom rod and my bathroom curtain. Okay, right. Another item I have is this wall decor thing. I love this. I love it. Let me take it out. As you can see, I think you guys see that I have a horse, and now I get the elephant. I really like them. They really look nice. Yeah. They're really nice. So I'm gonna put it right up on my wall. Yeah. And it's cheap. I got it for $695 for this. People in a Mobile wanna go on in a Top Mart and get them something here. It's cheap, $695. And them have tiger, horse, and peacock. One bag of something them have. It really nice. I really love the elephant one. So yeah, it's really nice. As I say, $695. When I go and go get it, no. Wanna wait on. Okay. Alright, next item. I got 2 curtains for my living room. The curtain them want to change right now. So I got this color. Yeah, I like thick curtain. I'm not supposed to outside at night time and I see everything what I go on inside. I not like thin curtain. So I just get a nice thick curtain because I really don't like see it. So this was for $1,795 for one, yeah. So I buy 2 of them because yeah, we can put them out here so and change my curtain. And I really love the color, and as I said guys, it's very thick. So I'm gonna expect say when I put up my curtain, people go stay from outer door and see inside what I go on in my house. I'm gonna run them the joke there. Okay? Alright. Let me know in the comments if you like this, if you like the color. By the way. Okay. Let me know in the comments if you love the color and yeah. Me like this. So as I say, $1,765. That's what I say. Yeah, $1,795, and I bought 2, so it's $3,590. Okay. Next item I got is a door mesh. The door mesh them, you know, you put this up on your door, yeah, to block out the mosquitoes, the flies, and the insects them from coming in your house. You can just open up a door, breeze still come through and everything, but you know it block away certain things. I really like it, so me get the black one because I really not like the flowers one them and me not like them the one day. So me just get one plain color, black. Them me never see no white. Black will do, yeah. So tomorrow now, I just put up my thingy. See it there. And I paid $495. $495 for it. So tomorrow I'm gonna put it up on my door. Next item I have here is bathroom curtain. See, I buy my bathroom curtain, and this was for $995. Yeah, bathroom curtain, $995. Let's open it to see what it looks like. Alright, so I like the color not bad. If you tie it up or something, them two something have to tie it up. So let's see. Okay, well, it kind of long for my window still, but it can work. It can work. We are gonna make it work. I never know say it's so long, but yeah. And then as I say, you have these two where you can tie it up and so forth. So yeah, I have a bathroom curtain, I have a bathroom rod. Alright. So the next item I have, I did tell you how much we pay for $400 and something. I think let me see. Yeah, I did tell you how much we pay for it. Me did tell you no? Oh, $995. Yeah, $995. $995. Alright, so I got a machine cover. Washing machine cover. Yeah. You know, when I don't want the machine, no dust on the machine and all of them something there. You know, your machine for dirty. I got a machine cover. And the price was just $695. $695. So let me take it out and see the pattern. So it's very nice. When I done, I put it over my machine, my washing machine. Okay, right, cute and girly. And how much I pay for? $695. Okay, all right. Next thing that we got is, them call it Placemat. Them something here, Placemat, and the Placemat I paid $895. Now these things, what am I gonna do with them? I really in the bathroom I gonna put them on the bathroom shelf, something them. The bathroom shelf where you put a little tissue and all of them, something there. It just plain. I'm want something for you know, spark up my bathroom. So I'm gonna use them here. I wanted the fluffy thingy, mat thingy, rug thingy. I don't even know if a rug or a mat or what, but some fluffy something. You place, you can put it on your dresser and them something there. A runner, you know, but I know the old time runner, I the fluffy runner them, but I never see the fluffy one them. So I say, alright, I only see the old one them, and I don't want no old one to go in my bathroom, because that the runner they fi just go up and dresser. Not even my dresser in the pan, because I really don't like them. The old time runner them, I don't like see them, none tall. Anyways, so I buy them here to put pan the bathroom something. Yeah, if you just make it, you know. But I don't want the fluffy one, but I never get the fluffy one, so I just go try out them here one here to see what can go on from my bathroom. You understand? Yeah. So let me just open it up. And then guys, when you can let me know in the comments if I did wrong something I buy, you can just recommend something and make me go buy it. So if you don't know what I mean, if you don't get what I say, it's how me just plain. I don't want it plain. I just want something pan it. It's like when I put it on up on your dresser and it give your dresser a little spark, give your room a little spark, or someone want it give my bathroom a little spark. Okay? Yeah. If you don't get what I say. I don't know if I sound country or what, but get what I say, right? Alright. Anyways, let's see. Backside. Okay, and I tried. How much of them? You know, I'm open. Okay, I tried them. See it there? Why? I don't know if I write something about or what, but I'm gonna see if them look good in the bathroom or if them look old and look country. I don't know, but I'm gonna try and see. But you guys can let me know down in the comments what is the correct thing to buy, if you don't get what me I say, because them something I look like say them figure up on dining table. So me don't know, but I'm gonna try it still. It still look cute, but when I let me know in the comments what's the correct thing to buy. Alright? Yeah. Alright, and last but not least, I got a toilet seat. Not the hard one, but the soft one. seat here. Yeah, a white one. Them have green, pink, but me just take a white one. So I'm gonna change one in my bathroom and put this one. I like the soft one, even though you know say hard one original, but I like the soft one. So yeah, and this I paid tell it. I paid $1,095 for it. So if you want them, just go up at Top Mart, all those who are in Montego Bay. Alright, nice, cute and girly. Yeah, so that's the video, guys. Everything came up to $12,150. Yes, and them nice, them can go on. Guys, as we said, let me know in the comments what the correct something for use in the bathroom, panny shelf, something where you put a tissue and you look at things them, panny. Yeah, me not like see it just plain so and dry, so me need something for, you know, spark it up. So something like this, guys. Look nice, looks nice to me. I something just like see it, I like see it bare, I like see it like this. So yeah, but I fluff one, but I don't too. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, guys, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.